Animation of the hypothesis that the cervix transforms into the lower uterine segment through the TY, VU, and inverted U pattern due to direct and indirect uterine-cervical interaction and its subsequent reversal.
Dr. Ali Hagassi, Department of Obstetrics and Gynecology, Midland Regional Hospital, Mullingar, Ireland. Blossom Medical Company, Houston, USA.
The mechanisms responsible for the maintenance of pregnancy and the initiation of parturition have not been fully explained in any species. Failure to properly understand the uterine function during pregnancy is a major shortcoming of modern healthcare, and this lack of understanding has many possible causes. Importantly, there may be a flaw in the current concept of human parturition that acts as a barrier to obtaining a better understanding of parturition. The isthmus of the cervix, its anatomical and functional existence, rationale, and consequences should be reconsidered. There has been no convincing evidence to support its existence since Aschoff first proposed it in 1905. To answer 200 years old question, what is the origin of the lower uterine segment, LUS? This study investigates the current evidence based that may support Roederer and Morisot's hypothesis, the 1800s, that the LUS is derived from the cervix. A 40-second 3D animation supporting the hypothesis was developed in conjunction with Houston-based Blossom Medical Communications.
Result: embryologically and evolutionarily, the human uterus is composed of two uteri. To push the fetus, the uterus should fix itself to the pelvic bones through uterine and cervical ligaments and through the cervix. In the presence of the fetus, the uterine contractions create direct and indirect uterine-cervical interaction, DID-UCI. During the third trimester, DID-UCI causes the cervix to lose its strength through the TY-VU pattern formation, transforming it into the LUS. During the first stage of labor, after full cervical effacement, the remaining cervical tissue is inverted inside up, which clinically appears as progressive cervical dilatation. In the second stage, the LUS extends from the cervico-vaginal junction to the physiologic retraction ring. All cervical changes are reversed instantly after fetal delivery.
During the first and the second trimester, the cervix is a T pattern. In the third trimester, uterine contractions transform the cervix to a Y pattern, then a V pattern, and finally, at full term, a U pattern with concomitant development of the lower uterine segment cranially. During the progress of labor, the U shape inverts upward with a complete transformation of the cervix into the lower uterine segment and its disappearance. The cervix regains its shape instantly after delivery, due to reversal of these changes. Unanswered questions. Cervical integrity is essential for a successful pregnancy. So, what is the primary function of the cervix during pregnancy? Loss of cervical strength initiates labor. So, what is the mechanism that initiates labor when the cervix loses resistance?